Hello and welcome back to the channel. We are looking at this FIMEI electric grill today. It's been sent to me for the purpose of this review, but my thoughts will be honest. It's a great outdoor or indoor electric grill. So let's get on with the unboxing. So we're outside in the garden and we're going to be opening up the box of the FIMEI electric grill. So let's get it open. Let's open this box up. We are actually having a barbecue this evening, and we're going to be doing the meat-free stuff on the barbecue, but we're going to be using this device to cook for the meat eaters. We're going to do burgers and sausages, so just get rid of this outer box and put these protective sleeves on there. Take those away and we're left with, let's have a look, got a little box here with some bits in it. Let's open that up. So this is the power. Got a little dial here for the thermostat. Goes from off all the way up to number 5. Okay, that must plug into the grill, neutral and live, and that's the power. Okay, so we'll put that to the side. Get rid of this cardboard. Okay. Let's have a look. This is the plate that we'll actually be cooking the meat on. We have an instruction manual. I'll give that a bit of a read in a moment. We have the main body of the unit with the logo there. And then this is the tray. So the tray will go inside there. We have the main unit here. In it goes. Just go there, like so. And then this plug will go into there, like that. And there we have it. So, quite easy. We're going to take that out and we read the instructions and we'll get cooking later on. And in typical fashion in the UK, the weather has changed. It started to rain, so it looks like we will be cooking on the inside today. So here we are, we're on the dining room table and we're going to pour 200 millilitres of water into the drip tray. Now this will aid in eliminating any smoke or minimising the amount of smoke that your meat and cooking will produce. So we'll put the main unit back in, there we are, and we're going to plug in the power with the thermostat there, and here it is. We're going to turn that dial to number 3, which is like a sort of happy medium. Now we're going to use a little bit of spray just to coat the cooking plate. Now this is a very non-stick cooking plate, but we're just going to put a bit of oil on there and on go our burgers. Today we're cooking 4 smash burgers. So we're going to be putting 2 in each bun. They're quite thin burgers, smash burgers, so they should cook quite quickly. Let's just get 4 of those on. My dog's in the background, she can smell the meat. And we're going to stick 4 jumbo sausages on as well. Some people want burgers, some people want sort of hot dogs. I'm going to try and get 4 in there. It's quite a large grill. Easily fit that amount of food. And they're sizzling away now. We're going to give them a bit of a toss. It's been a minute or so, and look at that. the lovely, authentic char grill from the cooking plate. They look great, don't they? Let them cook for a bit longer on that side. Give the sausages a bit of a turn as well. See what colour we've got on those. A bit fiddly because it is so non-stick, very slippery. And some lovely colour on the sausages there as well. We're going to try and push that one up to the top as well, so you can see it. Got our buns ready for the burgers. Not quite ready yet, so we'll give them another toss. There we go. But yeah, not too much smoke coming off this at all. All the fat is going down into the drip tray. And it's hitting the water. And it's eliminating most of the smoke there. So that's a really good design. Give these burgers a bit of a push down onto the grilling plate. And they're looking good. Give the sausages another turn. Get a bit more colour on them. They're cooking very well as the burgers. We will be trying some vegetables after the meat as well. I think we're going to be doing some corn on the cob, some peppers, and a big mushroom to put this grill through its paces. But these burgers are pretty much done now. Just give them another turn, bit more colour. Look at that. I will be leaving a link to the FIMEI electric grill in the description, so please go and check that out. And it's time to dish up the burgers. So we're going to be putting one on each of the buns, like so. And then we're going to get some cheese slices. And we'll put one of cheese slice on each of the burgers, like so. There we go. And then we'll put the other patty on top of that. These are for my daughters. They can't wait to give these a try. And there we go. 2 lovely burgers. We'll just give the sausages a bit more of a turn. There we go. They're pretty much done now. Looking good. So we've given it a clean. Now, dishwasher safe. The cooking plate and the drip tray are dishwasher safe. I did actually wash them up by hand in the sink, and it was so easy to clean. The non-stick surface made it so easy to get any residue off. Giving it a dry off, and we are now cooking vegetables. So we've got some corn on the cob there, giving that a bit of a colour. The mushroom is a very thick mushroom, so we'll see how well that cooks. It's very slippery. We've got some pepper there, got a bit of colour on that already. We'll push the mushroom down a bit. Give them a turn. Really impressed with this FIMEI electric grill. It's making short work of any cooking. Effortless. The thermostat is a really good addition. You can change the power. And look at these. Vegetables all done, cooked to perfection. And if you like the video, please hit the subscribe button. It really does help me out. Leave any comments down below. As I said, I will be leaving a link in the description where you can purchase the FIMEI electric grill. Hit the like button, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye for now, guys.